Hey peeps, want to know how to make this quick and easy healthy salmon dish? Then check out the following video. This week for once I'm going to make a super quick and easy healthy snack. Ingredients: salmon fillet, spring onion, some frozen peas, some soy sauce, and you'll need some greaseproof paper. Start off with a piece of salmon. This one came with its skin on, so remove the skin. I used the wiggle method. If you want to see a proper tutorial about that, check out some YouTube channels. I'm sure there's plenty of people giving you advice on that. Clean and then chop up your spring onion, also known as a scallion. Place it all onto the greaseproof paper like so. This is the obligatory stylised shot for adding peas and spring onions. We've got to do this these days to make a mundane task look interesting. Thanks a lot, M&S adverts. Now add the soy sauce. A couple of dashes will do, depends on how salty you want it. Now wrap the salmon up into the parcel. Try and keep it as tight as possible so the steam's kept within to help cook and keep it moist. Microwave on full power for around 4 minutes. May take a little bit longer, might take a little bit less depending on the power of your microwave. On behalf of people like myself who have been in this situation, please, 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 when we go back to work, don't do it in a work microwave. It will stink the office out. Once the microwave is pinged, open it up carefully. Watch out, there will be a lot of steam. There you have it, a quick and tasty and healthy microwave fish meal in under 4 minutes. You can have this as a healthy snack or as part of a main meal. Or some new potatoes with it and bang, there you go, fish and potatoes. You can also spice it up a bit and put some sweet chilli sauce in instead of soy sauce. Mix up some teriyaki sauce would be quite nice as well. You know, be inventive, put what you like with what you like and you've got a decent meal. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video if you liked it, or a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comments below to let us know how you got on with this, if you liked it, if you wanted to change it. Send us some photos of your trials and errors with this. Don't forget as well to sub up and ding that notification bell so it'll let you know when we put new videos up. Don't forget as well to check out our social media pages on Twitter and on Instagram for behind the scenes and updates and everything else that's going on. And as well for sometimes some general merriment. Thanks for watching peeps, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. In this time of uncertainty and imminent danger, you guys stay safe out there. Much love.